Today I'm going to give you guys a tutorial on how to make your computer 5 times faster. So first thing is disabling unnecessary startup apps. So what you're going to do, you're going to click the Windows key, type up startup apps, and it will show all the apps that will start up when you boot up your computer. And I would turn off all the ones that you think are unnecessary. You should be good to go. Another way to make your computer faster is freeing up storage. So if you go into your settings, system, storage again, and installed apps, other videos, you can go into here and it'll show all your apps and stuff, and you can click the 3 dots and uninstall, and it will uninstall that from your computer. Okay, now we're going to delete temporary files. So what you're going to do, go back into settings, and we're going to go to system, and then we're going to scroll down till you find storage and click temporary files. And Windows will show you the files that can be safely removed. Make sure you check white deleting, especially the downloads folder, because downloads will delete a lot of stuff, and you most likely won't want to delete that, so I would recommend leaving it out of the way unless you have downloads that you would like to delete. So for me, I'm going to click recycle bin, keep these on. Okay, I have all the stuff that I do not want to keep, so I'm going to click remove files, continue. And then you just gotta let this load and it'll be done really soon, and that's all you have to do for that. Okay, now we're gonna turn on Windows Best Performance. What you're gonna do, you're gonna hold Windows key and R, and this at the bottom will open up. And what you're gonna type is power cfg.cpl, and then click OK. And this should open. You'll most likely will be on balanced, but what you're going to do, you're going to change it to high performance. And then you can close out of that and you should be good. One more small thing to add, if you feel like your computer's feeling a bit slow, you can go down to this arrow at the bottom right of your screen, and if you click it, it will show hidden icons, and these can potentially be apps that are running in the background and taking up your computer's usage. Okay, that's the end of the tutorial. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe for more videos like this.